Oh, this car creaks too much. I hate it. I hate this car. It's so freaking dumb. Well. Ooh, a text message. My hobby. Dear Mr. Ninja Guy, please call me. I wonder if that's a bad look. He's just got a car accident for texting. Nah, I don't think so. I'll just call her real quick. Beep beep, it's a green light. Oh my god, sir, look out! For what? Isn't that gonna hurt me? I'm okay. Nothing bad has happened to me yet. Well, something has, but I'm still okay. I'm still okay. I am still okay. A-okay? Still okay. Oh, man, I hate this car. This hasn't been totaled yet, though. I now officially hate this car.